Everything big, oh you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Nails, not done. Hair, not done. Stash on. Okay, why is the wax already on my finger? Hold on. I look insane. I look insane right now, and that's completely fine because we're gonna fix it. Oh my god, my Invisalign. And we have to get ready for Christmas. We have about 2 days, but I need to get started because of this. What is going on here? What? I haven't detangled my hair in like 2 months. I've washed it, even though it is dirty right now. I've washed it several times. But have I detangled it? No. Ow, 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 ow. I said I'll be ready, like Invisalign in, so teeth will be straight. Hair, not done. Baby stash on. Like, we got work to do. I'm not doing any fancy editing. I don't do that. I don't want to. And we're not gonna. So, what? Why are all these knots in my hair? Let's take care of this mustache. You see it? Yeah, it's time. We have this really old wax ting ting ting. This is why I'm not great. Is this the right consistency? Like, I don't even know. Like, is this, I think it's a little too hot, right? It's supposed to be like not runny. I know the professional waxers are gonna come for me and be like, what's this, honey? I don't know. I'm doing the best I can. Turn down the heat. Do I know how to properly apply this? No, I don't. Where am I looking? I don't know. Am I doing this right? Ciao. Oh my god, why did I take so much? Oh, the waxers are gonna come for me. Okay. I gotta psych myself out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is the stash, people. So we're gonna do this like tiny middle section. Professional waxers do not come for me because I don't know what I'm doing, okay? This is real life. This is real. You want real YouTube? Well, here you go. 3. Oh, no. Ah. Ugh. That's so much better. I wanted to make a mustache of my own. I told y'all, I just be doing anything. Ooh. Yeah. Ah, that's insane. That's 4 strips, y'all. Between my brows, and then that's it. What is going on? I don't, if someone down below could tell me what's going on with the wax, please tell me. Are we ready? Like, there's a little bit. A tiny bit of Vaseline. Are you supposed to do that? I don't know. Ugh. Okay. That is so much better. I was looking like Wolverine. So the next situation is my hair. What is happening? Come back with me to do my nails. I'm probably gonna do them off camera because I'm lazy, but what is going on? Okay, so it's the next morning. I didn't finish anything that I had to do last night. But I did do my nails. There's some cute little press-ons for Christmas or whatever. Like, I feel like these are cute, you know? So at least I did something. I did do some Christmas nails. You do a little kiss press-on situation. They're themed. I know a lot of people don't like themed nails, but this is what it's gonna be. I think it's cute though. It's giving Christmas. I don't know. I have a pimple here. Why did this happen? I don't know. But we're gonna keep going. I need to do my hair next. It looks a lot better than before, right?